Hello everyone, Tom Ray here from eMaint University. I am the e-learning and content manager, and today we have something really special. We are going to show you how we can use a Fluke tool, which I will go grab and show you right now. This guy right here, which is the T3000 FC K-TYPE thermometer. We're going to look at how we can use that guy with Fluke Mobile to take live readings wirelessly from that device to Fluke Mobile while you're out in the field. Now, before I share the video with you, I do want to give you a little caveat here. Keep in mind, I'm only one person. So I was using my phone to take readings, and in one hand I had the camcorder trying to record the phone and the barcodes and such at the same time. So please give me a little bit of, I would say, forgiveness for that one, because the quality isn't what I would usually like to see, but it does get the job done, and we'll show you what we need to see. So without further ado, let's roll that beautiful footage. Hello everyone, this is Tom Ray, e-learning and content manager here at eMaint, and today we're going to take a look at Fluke Mobile for X5 and how it can integrate with the T3000 FC thermometer. So first we're going to open up Fluke Mobile on the phone, and you have to apologize for you. I am doing this with one hand here today. So we have Fluke Mobile open, and then we're going to turn on our Fluke tool here. It is on, and in Fluke Mobile we're going to go to the asset here. I'm going to do a search for an asset that I know has a meter, so GT there. The GT350R has a meter. I'm going to click up here at the top and click on meter readings. From there, I'm going to click the little button here to connect to this guy. So click the button to connect. Right now it says finding tools. What I've found, the easiest part here is, since I've already been connected to this tool before, the easiest thing to do is just simply disconnect and connect back again. You may have to push the little button right here to make it connect. So I'm going to do that. And it is connected. Now you'll see both readings match, 76. They match from the app straight to the device wirelessly. So what I'm going to do is, the device has this handy dandy little clip here. I'm going to clip this to my belt with it turned on and the phone still going, so that we can move around the office and take some readings. Again, I apologize for the quality here, because I am a one-man show and it's kind of difficult to do all this by myself. So now the device is here, and it's still turned on. I'm going to grab the lead. This is the little probe at the very end here, and get it still so we can see it. There she is. And I'm going to walk around and take some temperature readings. So on my phone here, there we go, I've got it figured out now. On my phone, I'm going to click on the barcode scanner here, and I'm going to scan a barcode. Again, this is kind of difficult because I'm holding two things at once, but this is Tom's desk. I'm going to click search. There it is. And I'm going to take the meter reading. You'll see it's currently sitting at 76.2. I'm going to click capture, and that just captured the reading, and it put it at the reading, the meter for this asset. This asset does have a meter reading. So I'm going to walk around the office and take 3 more readings just to show you how to do it. So I'm going to stop the video, and I'll start the video back up when we get to the next location. Okay, we have arrived at our second location, which is our cafeteria. And I have a nice little barcode here on the wall, as you can see. So we're going to scan this barcode and see what the temperature is in the cafeteria. There we go. So let's click on search, cafeteria, and we'll do this here on the countertop so it's easier to see. Meter readings, and you see it's currently connected with my device. It says 74.5. I'm going to go ahead and capture this one, and then we're going to move on to the next one. I'll be right back. Okay, we're approaching our third location of the day, and this is Wes's office. So as you can see, there's his barcode. I'm going to do the same thing with the phone. Get the barcode reader going. Here it goes. And we're going to scan that barcode. Okay. Search for the asset. There it is, west door. Click on the little one to get to the meter. Sorry about the low quality here, guys. And it's currently going at 73.4. Let's capture this reading and head to our final site. That reading has been captured. I'll be right back with the last location. Okay, we're approaching the final location. This is going to be Callie's desk. She's laughing at me. It's okay. She will make her YouTube famous. Both times I've seen Callie today, she's been eating, by the way. Just saying. So we're going to search Callie's desk here. I think she must love food. We're going to click on the meter reading again.
It's always lunchtime.
And it is lunchtime, so I can give her that. And as you can see, it's 72.87 now. We're going to click capture. Again, that's going to put it on the meter that I've associated with her desk. And now we're going to continue this. I'll see you guys back at the computer, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Okay, guys, I've made it back to the desk. And I hope you had a good time watching me go through that process of putting those temperature readings into Fluke Mobile and those readings going to various meters that are on my assets. Also, please give a shout out to Callie for being a good sport. What you don't know is I tried to make the video once earlier today with my phone and it failed miserably, so I had to go back using the camcorder. So what you may be wondering now is, well, Tom, what do I do with that data now that I have it? And I'm going to show you what you can do with it. First of all, I created a report in X5. Let me find the report and I'll show it to you. Don't worry, I'm not showing the screen on purpose just yet. So now let's show the screen so we can see the report. Okay, so I'm back here. I named the report Office Temperature Readings, and it looks like if I show preview, it just shows the data like this. What I then did with that data is I moved over to Dashboards 2.0 and I created it as a graph going sideways. Of course, you've got all of the readings that I've done. I did a couple of readings today and some on yesterday. And so far, as you can see on the graph, I am in the lead. I have the high score of 76.9. And this is the one time, probably the only time in my life here at eMaint that I will have a higher score than Callie at anything. She has a 73.6 and I have a 76.9. So I'm winning this one. All right. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tom Ray here from eMaint. Have a wonderful day. And if you would like to see this report in more detail, let me know and I'll show you how to create it. Everyone have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one.